Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm spiraling up a piece of fabric. I've washed and dried the fabric, soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I spun it out in my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. This is 100% cotton fabric and it's about 1/4 of a yard. Because it's a long piece of fabric, I'm going to go ahead and fold it in thirds. So I have 3 layers that I'm dealing with. Just going to line it up really well, and then I'm going to do a spiral right in the middle. It's kind of stiff, so I'm having to form the folds with my other hand. I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. Before I begin dyeing, I'm going to use a washable marker and divide my fabric into 6 equal sections. I'm going to dye this in a rainbow pattern, so I'm beginning with lemon yellow from Dharma Trading Company, bright orange from Grateful Dyes, stock red from Grateful Dyes, grape from Custom Colors, turquoise from Grateful Dyes, and green from Custom Colors. I want to make sure to saturate each one of these sections really well. Then I'm going to turn it over and do the same pattern on the back side. After the fabric was dyed, I set it aside and let it process for 24 hours. And this is what it turned out looking like. Here's another piece of fabric that I spiraled, but this time I only folded it in half, so I only ended up with 2 spirals. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.